Welcome back to the channel. So good to see your smiling face. Let me ask you a quick question. And this applies whether you're a brand new repair shop, you just opened your shop, maybe you're an established shop and you've been in business for 3, 4, or 5 years, or maybe you're a well-seasoned professional. But have you ever asked yourself why you can't grow your repair shop? Why you can't grow your car count, your income, your profits? On this video, I'm going to explain everything to you. And please, wait till the end of this video because you won't want to miss this. And look, I'm not trying to sell you anything. But I talk to repair shop owners virtually every day. And they struggle. They tell me how many customers they have. They tell me how many repair jobs they do on average. And we talk about their ROs and stuff like that. But the question still comes down to the one big thing. Why can't I grow? So let's face it, we're in the middle of a new economy. We've just come through a couple of years of upset, yet some of my clients actually did incredible things. So I want to share this with you, but listen closely. For the last 20 years, I've done nothing but help auto repair shop owners across America grow their car count, income, and profit. I've taken that 20 plus years of experience, knowledge, tips, tricks, and hacks, and I've condensed it all into a masterclass. Right now, it's about a 45-minute masterclass, and I say right now because it's not totally complete. Here's the best part of it. This entire masterclass is going to cost you, are you ready? Like, do we need a drum roll? It's going to be totally free. Here's the issue. As I record this video at the beginning of September 2023, the masterclass has been recorded, everything is done, but the finishing touches haven't been complete. So I want you to have this masterclass as soon as it's available. So in the description of this video, there's a link to click, and that link will take you to an early bird list. That list will get your name posted so that as soon as everything is ready to go, you're going to be the first to know. Again, it's going to be about a 45-minute masterclass. I'm going to take over 20 years of helping auto repair shop owners just like you, and I'm talking about new shops, just established or more established repair shops in business for 4, 5, maybe 6 years, and even some of the well-seasoned repair shops that I have helped generate almost instant profits. And I'm going to show you everything on this masterclass. We have a working title of the 5 pillars of auto repair shop success. And if you use the link below, you'll be able to get on a list and you'll be the first to know as soon as this masterclass is out and available. Go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, would that be a bad idea? Because that way you'll know as soon as everything is released. I don't release this on Facebook or Instagram or any of those other platforms. Everything is done here on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know when that totally free masterclass that gives you the 5 pillars of growing your auto repair shop to whatever level you want, it's totally free. Go ahead, use the link below, but go ahead and subscribe. That way you'll know exactly when it's available because it's going to be released here on YouTube. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Go ahead and hit that like button. That helps and tells YouTube to spread this to other repair shop owners just like you. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and watch this video because YouTube says that's the one you want to see. Take care. Talk real soon.